it's Lana Marie. Welcome back to my channel. And I have been really wanting to buy a whole new wig, but I decided to just revive this old one. It needed to be bleached, plucked, just taken care of. It was from when I first started wearing wigs and I really didn't know what I was doing. So I just wanted to revive this wig, give it a whole new look, and just make it look fresh and new. So I did not go and buy a new wig. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we are going to start out bleaching the knots. I did previously watercolor this hair to give it the burgundy look. So you'll see that the lace is a tad bit red, a little bit tinted red. So in the process of me bleaching it, it's not going to totally give it that usual bleach look. It's just going to kind of get rid of those really dark knots. But you'll see as we go along in the video. So the second thing that I wanted to do was make this wig thicker because it was super thin. I hate thin wigs. So I wanted to add in some tracks just to give it some more volume and thickness. Now I'm going to be adding an elastic band just to make this wig glueless. I love glueless wigs, easy for me to just throw on, and I could just put some Got To Be spray or some foaming wrap lotion on to keep it down, or I can even glue it if that's something I want to do, but I do like to put that elastic band on the wig. This is one of the most important steps, and that is the plucking. It is very important that your hairline is plucked to your desire at least. I don't like to over pluck, but I don't like to under pluck either. But I just want to be able to pluck enough to the portion where I don't feel like I have a heavy hairline. That makes your wig look very realistic. It doesn't make it look very wiggy if it has that good, nice, clean, plucked hairline. Alright, so I straightened the hair out so I can be able to cut it. I was going for a somewhat blunt cut. I'm not a professional, so I was so scared doing this because I did not want to mess up all this work that I had just did. But I just took it slow, it took my time, and it actually came out pretty cute. I really love that I decided to add black tracks in the wig because it gave it a nice gradient look with the burgundy and the black and the different color reds that was already in the wig. So I really love how it turned out. So I'm going to be using Lotta Body Foamy Wrap Lotion to put this, to adhere this wig on. I only use this this mousse. I've never used any other mousse to try to put my wigs down. I heard Nairobi mousse is good also, but I've never used anything else. Let me know in the comments if you've used foamy wrap lotion to put your wigs down, and which brand or which kind have you used, and if it's any good. Yes, she went into her makeup and got herself together. FYI, the tutorial for this look will be up next week, so make sure you click the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new videos. Alright, so I took it off my scarf. My hair is laid to the gods, and the foamy wrap lotion does pretty good. It's nothing that you would use if you were like going out, you know, you're gonna be sweating and stuff. I would definitely stick to glue if you know you're gonna be in an environment like that, but it's good for just, you know, going to work, quick run. You know, you won't be doing a whole lot of manipulating to your head. I try not to be too rough with it too, because it can come off fairly easy. Not, you need to do a good little tugging to it, but it can come off fairly easy. So I try not to do too much tugging to it when I'm, you know, manipulating it like this. It won't blow away in the wind or anything like that, but if you know you get a little good snug in there, then it might come off. So this was the end result, guys. I had so much fun doing this. The wig is 150% better than it was in the beginning, and I'm so satisfied with how it turned out. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.